Oh, hello, Robert.
Hi.
Look at that. There's a door on the bus. Love it.
Day 33. I gotta brush my teeth.
And pet the kitty. Good kitty.
The other kitty? Oh, good kitty. Yeah. Oh, okay.
And now, back to making more renovations.
Oh, hello, Robert.
Hi.
Look at that. There's a door on the bus. Love it.
Bye.
See ya. We're pretty happy with the install. There's a couple spots that we're gonna have to fix up, but nothing major. This rain's got us like, we've decided we're gonna go into town and check out a couple of the vintage shops and see if we can find some old doorknobs and hinges. So wish us luck. Got some cool stuff here.
Vintage shopping.
Collectibles. They might have some stuff we need here. Putting our masks on. The creepy baby. Somehow I lost Robert in this very small town. So now I'm just sitting in the car. Just waiting.
Robert? Hello? There's literally 2 streets. I don't know. Alright.
We did, however, score a bag of really cool hardware and latches and stuff, like these old window latches. Yeah, these are gonna be rad. Love this kind of shit. I found Robert. Well, he found the car finally, so he was shopping.
Yeah, I found this. It might go for the top of the deck.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure what we could use this for, but I don't know. It might be usable. It might be something fun. Yeah. Cool.
Didn't quite want to call it a day after some thrift shopping, so I think I'm gonna build the bathroom door out of what you see here. So I got it built, sides of the old door and sides of the desk, plus a little panel and cool brass knobs that we got, but looks pretty good. Just have to do some sanding on it and a little bit of staining, get it sort of all matching, but it's like a mini door into the bathroom. In the day with a stretch as well. We got the door installed. It looks pretty rad. A couple little tweaks to it. Obviously we're gonna paint it to match, so it'll have the black stripe this way and gold on the top, and then we're going to put a window there beside that as well. But otherwise it looks pretty good, and the rain stopped. And then of course getting this little door done was also a little icing on the cake. Pretty successful overall for kind of a half work day this Saturday. See you guys on Monday.